What's up, y'all? I'm Adrian Williams, and we are back in the kitchen with my favorite.
I am Dr. Jamie Schehr, and we are gonna make
my favorite yogurt bowl.
Let's do it.
What do we got in terms of ingredients? Tell me.
So this yogurt bowl is particularly healthy for your gut because we are gonna combine prebiotic and probiotics with a whole bunch of fibers, some good fats, and then top it off with some honey, which is fantastic for your immune system. So we're getting it all in here.
So Jamie, tell me a little bit about prebiotic and probiotics.
So your prebiotics, which we're gonna get from this 1/4 cup of oats here, I want you to think about it as like the fertilizer for the gut. So the prebiotics allow the probiotics to get the nutrients they need so that we can maintain healthy gut flora.
So we have a few things here. Some honey, a little bit of oats, salt, walnuts, and some chia. What
Sweet, savory.
Yeah.
This is a choose your own adventure.
Choose your own adventure.
How do you like to build it? So the honey actually has really great immune support in it. Honey is very antimicrobial, antibacterial, so I love the honey, especially in the wintertime. And for people who have allergies, honey can be really great support for you.
And then we've got a 1/4 cup of oats.
Let's go. So this is texture, right? A lot of people will be averse to yogurt because they need texture. I like things gritty, like this adds
I do
that
too.
grit.
Well, especially for my yogurt. Pinch of salt. I like a little bit in the yogurt in the morning. Walnut.
What's your nut of choice? Is it the walnuts?
Brazilian nut is going to be my nut of choice.
Okay.
That's odd, right?
It's very bad. I don't think anyone
Says
has
nobody
ever.
ever. This is my grandmother, like in my ear as a kid, and she always made us eat like all kinds Brazilian all the time.
You're the first person who's ever said that, but I'm here for it.
You're welcome. Chia seeds. Sprinkle right on top.
Look at this, it's beautiful.
It is beautiful. It's missing one of my favorite things.
Blueberries.
Banana. Let's do a little banana in there. How about that? Oh, this is actually the perfect banana too for yogurt.
I get lots of questions about fruit and which fruit is better and which fruit is healthier. And I think it's a really important conversation to have. A banana is a fantastic fruit. It has high potassium, it's got good fibers, you get glucose from the sugars in there. I'm a big fan of bananas, especially for performance, right? I mean, I know the workout that's happening here. This is a great food. Are you a mix the bowl and eat it? Or are you like a spoon in and eat it?
I'm gonna mix the whole bowl and eat it.
I think there's no right or wrong.
There's no right or wrong.
I like to control every bite on the spoon.
Okay, I think you should have the first bite.
Yeah,
because you're gonna do it your way.
Mixed up. That's right.
See, do you think you got everything there? I'll let you take a few before I destroy the art we've created. How about that? See, this is what you're mixing. Look at just all that beauty hiding underneath there. Look at me just mixing away.
Look at this masterpiece.
Finding the perfect bite.